Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my brand new channel. My name is Dan, and today I'm in a 2018 Subaru WRX that I purchased from Copart. So basically quick overview about the car. So it is a 2018 Subaru WRX. It has 6,000 miles on it. Also got some front end damage as well as side doors and what's it called, back left fender. I mean, it's a little damage. The primary damage is at the front. So let me show you around and see how the car looks. So here's how the car looks. From this side is looks brand new. As you can see, it's missing a headlight, which we took off because it was all smashed. Also the washer tank fluid all messed up. The front bumper, the fender, the battery didn't work when we got it. We had to replace the battery. It's bought one from AutoZone real quick. So the wheel is not missing, it's in the trunk, but it's all scratched. The guy who messed that up probably was in the mud, since the inner fender liner, whatever it's called, is all muddy, as well as all the fenders, inner fenders. Mud flaps are all muddy too. So got some damage right here, as well as this door. Scratches. We unscrewed the fender, so it's holding on one bolt in case it's raining, since we didn't get the fenders yet. Got some roof damage. I bought this piece already, waiting for it to come. This will do in the body shop, as well as all the scratches. Got some friends who can do it. Here's how the car looks. It's a gray, dark gray color. Mud flaps were included, which is nice. The wheels are not scratched on either sides, except the front left, the one that was damaged. The back looks mean, and the back of this side. So let me show you inside now. So the car runs and drives. So still smells brand new. Got this boost gauge. And then in the back is dirty too. Got my wrenches over there. I mean, still needs some cleaning. But yeah, this is how it looks inside. It's a manual 6-speed transmission. Subaru. No check engine light. Let me show you how it sounds first, and then we'll show you all these features it's got. $51 miles on it. Basically brand new. So all this apps, it's got Starling, AHA, and Pandora. In order to run those apps, you need to have them on your phone. Got this screen over there, which you can adjust as you like it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to see this car build and stuff, you want to see the complete version, just follow the channel, subscribe, like, and you'll definitely see this car in its complete shape and form. So I'm back in the car, so you guys just saw how it looks like, how ugly it is. And if you guys interested in the future of this car, how we're gonna fix it, what parts we're gonna purchase, and all that, please subscribe to this channel. As well as if you want to follow see some pictures, early updates about this car, follow my Instagram down below. And for now, peace out. By the way, thank you for watching too. So yeah, if you're interested about the price and all that, oh my gosh, what did I just press? No, back up.